Ever thought about hiring an animal influencer for your social media channels?
I bring weight, taste, more style than your algorithm can handle.
Small? Yes. Misjudged? Always. Unavoidable? Absolutely.
My followers, mostly energetic, and yes, I spit.
I can snack, dance, and post all at once. I'm a social media circus.
Let's be honest. You need me. I'm not a voice. I'm a whole format.
Meet your next influencer. Animal avatars for zoos, pet supply companies, and bold campaigns that dare to stand out. Let us advise you.